Welcome everyone. Today we'll discuss some of the PYQs and we'll discuss the topics that could not be covered in the class for the PYQ part. We'll begin with clocks and calendar. Let us just very briefly run through the basics. I hope you remember that one thing that we have to remember is that a minute's hand, if you see here, a minute's hand would cover 6 degrees in 1 minute. Okay. And our hand will cover half a degree in 1 minute. So their relative speed is 6 minus 0.5, which is what? 5.5 degree per minute, or 11 by 2 degree per minute. This is something you should remember. So this is what we will call as relative speed, which is 11 by 2 degrees per minute. Then in terms of angular difference, we'll call that as distance. And for all the problems, we'll use the standard formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time, where speed is relative speed, distance is the degree, and time will be in terms of seconds. So with this in mind, let's solve some of the problems. See the first one. See what they're asking is, they've given some time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock and the two hands are above each other. Then after how many minutes will the two hands be again lying above each other? So what it means is, let's say this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand and they're above each other. Now for them to be above each other, the relative distance that has to be covered is 360 degrees. We know that relative speed is 11 by 2. So in this case, the time is given by, we know time is equal to distance upon speed, which is what? 360 divided by 11 by 2, which is 720 by 11, which is roughly 65.4. And since they've asked for the nearest integer, the answer would be 65 minutes. We'll use the same formula again and again, as you'll see. Now see the next question. If third day of a month is Monday, okay, then which of the following will be fifth day from the 21st of this month? So what they're saying is that this third is Monday. Now observe from this calendar that, see here, if third, let's say in this case third is Tuesday, then 10th will be the next Tuesday, 17th will be the next Tuesday, and 24th will be the next Tuesday. So how we get that is, we just have to add 7. So 10th will be Monday, 17th will be Monday, 24th will be Monday. Now they're asking 5th day from 21st of this month. So that would be 26th, right? So let me reach 26th. So this will be Tuesday and this will be Wednesday. So the answer would be Wednesday. See. Now question number 48. See, they're saying between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m., minute hand of a clock will be ahead. So let me draw 6 p.m. first. This will be the hour hand and this will be the minute hand. Now, if you see here, this distance is 30 minutes. Then it has to be 3 minutes ahead. So the total relative distance is 33 minutes, which in terms of degree is 33 into 6, because 1 minute is, we have seen 1 minute is 6 degrees, so 33 into 6. This is the total distance. Okay, speed we already know is 11 by 2. So time taken is given by what? Distance upon speed. So 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36. So at 36 minute, that is 6:36 minute, it would be ahead by 3 minutes. This is the answer. Now next question. If second and fourth Saturday and all Sunday are taken as only holidays for an office, see, they're asking minimum number of working days. So first we have to take a month which has minimum number of days. That would be February. Now remember, for a leap year, there will be 29 days. So we will take a non-leap year, February, which has what? 24 days. 24 days is equal to 4 weeks. Right? Now each of these will have Saturday and Sunday. Now only second and fourth Saturday is holiday. So there will be a total of 6 holidays. As you can see, there will be a total of 6 holidays. Total number of days is 28 in the month. Total holidays is 6. So total working days will be 22. Total working days will be 22. Now let's go to the next question. This is another type of problem where we have a watch which is gaining or losing. In this, we can use either unitary method for approximation, or we can use calculating exact minutes. This is the very accurate, but it requires a lot of calculations. So we'll use the one in exam using which or most of let's say approximation method, which would help us get faster answers. So let's start. See, a watch loses 2 minutes every 24 hours, while another watch gains 2 minutes every 24 hours. So what it means is that in 24 hours, total gain or loss is 4 minutes. That is, one day, the watch is gaining 4 minutes. Then it says, at a particular instance, the two watches showed an identical time. See, since it is a 24 hours clock, for the watches to show identical time, total gain has to be 24 hours. So what it means is that it gains 4 minutes in one day. Then in how many days will it gain 24 hours? 24 hours in terms of minutes can be written as this. Correct? This is what we have to calculate. So x will be what? Using the cross multiplication, we get 24 cross 60 divided by 4. This is 360. As you can see, it would take about 360 days, and that is not there in any of the options. So the answer would be none of the above. Okay, let's go to the next one. A clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2, thrice at 3. This question is slightly incomplete. It said in 5 o'clock, it strikes 5 times and it takes 12 seconds. So at 10 o'clock, it will strike 10 times and it would take 24 seconds. So this is straightforward, simple question. The answer would be 24 seconds. See, this is slightly lengthier question. Try not to do such question in the first round. It's a slightly lengthier question. Let's go to the next one. See, it says a clock moves 10 minutes fast every 24 hours. Remember this calculation. 24 hours is what? 1440 minutes. Just remember this part. So it says a clock gains 10 minutes every 24 hours. What that means is that if the right clock or correct clock is showing 1440 minutes, the incorrect clock will show 1450 minutes. Now the question that is being asked is that on Wednesday 6 p.m., if the wrong clock is showing Wednesday 6 p.m., what will be the time in correct clock? As you can see, it will be less than 6 p.m. That is the first thing you can easily infer. See now, in one day, it gains 10 minutes. So in 2 days, it would have gained 20 minutes. Correct? So my wrong clock is ahead by 20 minutes. Now how much time is left? See, from Monday to Tuesday, 8 a.m. It is 24 hours. Then Wednesday, 8 a.m. Again 24 hours. So I've gained 10 minutes here and I've gained 10 minutes here. Correct? Then from 8 a.m., if you see 6 p.m., that is 10 more hours, 10 hours, remember. I have to find how much has my wrong clock gained. See now, in 24 hours, it gains 10 minutes. So in 12 hours, it will gain 5 minutes. So in 10 hours, see, it will gain less than 5. So it could be 24 minutes or 23 minutes. So what it means is that my wrong clock is ahead by 24 minutes or 23 minutes. So logically from observation easily you can get the answer would be this. But if you want an exact calculation, you will have to see the difference here is 58 hours. So in 24 hours, if it gains 10 minutes, how much will it gain in 58 hours? This calculation you have to do. Even that will give you exact answer, which is 24 minutes. So my wrong clock is ahead by 24 minutes. So right time is obtained by subtracting 24 minutes from 6 p.m. So I hope this part was clear. Okay, let's go to the next question. We have to find the same calendar year. We have to find the calendar year, which is replication of 2009. See, the trick for this is add 11 to the year. So let me add 11 to this. I get 2020. Now, if this is a leap year, then this answer is wrong and you have to add 6 to this, which is 2015. This is the answer. However, if this is not a leap year, then this is the answer. So answer will be this or this. Since in this case, this is the leap year, this will not be the answer. The answer will be 2015. D. Let's go to the next one. If in a particular year, 12th January is Sunday. So they're saying 12th January is a Sunday. So let me write it down. January, February, March, April, May, June, and in the answers we see they are up to July. So this is what you have to calculate. I hope you remember that we have to find odd days, and there was a chart for odd days. See here. If you see Feb, May, there will be 0 or 1 depending on whether it is a leap year or not. Then for March 3, April 2, whichever month has 31 days, there will be 3 odd days. So this using this calendar, if you see Feb will have 0 or 1 depending on whether it is a leap year or not. How do we get odd days? Divide the number of days by 7. Then whatever is the remainder, that is the odd days. So in this case, it will be 3. April is 2. May is 3. June is 2. Okay. So let's do the rest of the calculation. See, it is asking for 12th January. So how many days are left in January? From 12 to 31. We have to find number of days. Okay. If we just subtract, we get 19 days. Correct? There are 19 days. Divide 19 by 7, 14, 5. We get 5 as the remainder. So there are 5 odd days from January that we have to calculate. Let us now find total number of odd days. So total number of odd days can be, let us assume in the first calculation, it is not a leap year. So it would be 5 plus 0, 8, 10, 13, 15. 15 odd days. If we divide this by 7, we get 1 odd day. So net, there can be 1 odd day, or if I take it as a leap year, 1 extra will be added, there will be 2 odd days. So there can be 1 odd day or 2 odd day. Now, let us go to the option. See, they're asking 15th July is a Sunday or not. Now, in July, if I take 15, I'll get 1 odd day because if I divide by 7, I'll get 1 as remainder. Now, since this day is Sunday, for the next, 15th July to be a Sunday, there have to be 7 or 0 odd days. But I will not be getting that. So this is wrong. Let's try with 12. If I divide 12 by 7, I get 5 odd days. That means 5 here and 5 here. See, 5 plus 1 is 6. This will not be a Sunday. 5 plus 2 is 7. This will be a Sunday. So the answer would be 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. So I hope this discussion was useful. All the best, guys.
Current Affairs by Forum IAS is an all-in-one program that covers the dynamic aspect of the syllabus from both prelims and mains perspectives. Last year, we have helped more than 100 students crack IAS with our current affairs classes.